Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about SheepToken, or shortcut SHEEP. This token is for sure on Binance Smart Chain, and you can buy this token in PancakeSwap version 2. Let's have a look what they exactly offer us. On SheepToken.cash, earn sheep, help, donate, earn interest by holding SheepToken. Every giveaway contributes to those in need. What else they write? Community-owned Liquidity Locked. SheepToken is a frictionless, yield-generating community-owned token. Telegram group, they have for sure. Contest giveaways will be held once a week with Flash and Happy Hour giveaways introduced along the way. Techrate audit. Fully audited by Techrate, our smart contract does not contain any several vulnerabilities. Token protocol, 6% of each transaction is split among token holders and the burn wallet rewarding holders. Tokenomics, 3% of each transaction is distributed to all the holders. The SheepToken protocol will burn 3% of every transaction forever. So that makes him limited somehow, right? 3% of token supply allocated for marketing and promotion. Time lock liquidity with 30% of token supply in development wallet. So let's see here their roadmap. Genesis, token inception, marketing, outreach, social network launch. But I can tell you this token is already longer on the market, on the blockchain. I will show you this later. Anti-rug checker tool, merchandise drops, secondary marketing outreach is phase 1 there right now. Phase 2 NFT marketplace, social ambassador acquisition. Phase 3 expand partnerships with various other charities. How it works? SheepToken protocol, 6% of each transaction is split instantly among token holders and the burn wallet, reducing supply and rewarding holders. The SheepToken protocol will burn 3% of every transaction forever and redistribute the remaining 3% to token holders as reward. This arrangement eradicates third-party risk from having to keep assets in a separate contract while yield farming, while reducing supply and rewarding holders with massive wealth generation. They have giveaways and World Vision Foundation. Sheep often give birth to twins or triples, which can be sold. The value of the World Vision Foundation are closely alignment with our mission. And here's the chart. We will look further. More frequently asked questions, some FAQs. Here you have the contract address. Just copy paste in PancakeSwap and then you can buy this token. Here we have the team from Tyler C to Eric C. Oh, and some quick links. They have their blog. They are for sure on Facebook and Telegram. And let's have a look on their white paper. It's not much, it's just 6 sides. You can look it by yourself. I don't want to bore you with that details right now. So it is another token on the Binance Smart Chain. But maybe not just another token. I will show you that why. We have right now 2,500 members and 265 online. This members seems to be real for me. We have here 1,100 followers on Twitter, and here we have something very interesting, folks. If you are with me and see what I see, we have here a 1-day candle chart, okay? And if you look here, this token starts already in 29th April of this year. My question is, why it is just now listed on CoinGecko? It took 6 months, near 6 months, to get listed, over 5 months to get listed on CoinGecko. And we had here already an all-time high. Compared to this one, it is a 200x. It is a 200x situation compared to this one. So I don't want to tell you right now, throw all your money inside and maybe we will have this 200x again. I cannot promise you that. I just see what I see, and I see right now $57,000 are right now inside this token invested from people, and we have just here 2 hours on CoinGecko listed, so the chance could be high to make here some profits, right? Because if they start with their marketing, if they start to promote these things, and also the community start to promote these things, here something can happen, because this token, no one give up this token, right? The holders who still keep it make now some profits, and the buyers right now can also make some profits, because we saw the past. And you know what I think? Don't throw all your money inside in one project, but try some projects, because sometimes you can make a lot of profits. Remember Shiba Inu. We have here a situation of, look at this. You just put $10 all-time low, and even not all-time low. Let's say in 1 year, Shiba Inu make this kind of profits. So just if you had before 1 year in Shiba Inu, $10 people, $10, you will be now a millionaire, because you will own now $2 million. And this with $10. And if someone tell me this is not possible, I just show them Shiba Inu or some other tokens, right? This is just one of one. This is Shiba Inu. But what about Bitcoin? What about other tokens who are just not even people already forget these tokens, but people made money with these tokens, right? And Shiba Inu was a meme token from the beginning. Dogecoin was a meme token from the beginning. And here we have a situation, people already know this token. They were already inside and took out some profits, right? We have these people who buy and sell, make the quick money cash, right? This is what we all want, but not overnight, folks. It's not everyone Shiba Inu, but it could be. Everyone could be the next Shiba Inu. So listen carefully to my words. Don't throw all your money inside. Tell me what you think inside. Write it down in the comments. Maybe leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot to grow and show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you all the best profits and see you later, alligator. Bye.